welcome to Mrs. J's Book Nook. Today I'm reading to you Bluey, Bob Bilby. Now don't forget, as I'm reading it, have a look and try to see where Long Dog might be hiding inside this book. Hi, my name is Bob. I'm a Bilby. I like making new friends and having fun times with them. And like most Bilbys, I'm not much of a talker. Today I'm going home with Bingo Healer. She seems really nice. I'm already friends with her sister Bluey. I wonder what we'll get up to. At Bingo's house, I show her family my book. It has photos of all the adventures I've had with my friends. This is Jasper W. He likes Australian rules football. This is me on holiday with Mrs. Terrier. It was cold in Scotland. And look at my yellow karate belt here. Every new friend has their own way to have fun times. Oh, you did a bit of karate, Bob, says Bingo's mum. Wackadoo! I sure did. I learned it when I stayed with my friend Maxie. Here! Bingo's ready to show me how she has fun times. But first, that sausage roll the big blue guy has looks yum. We play moo cow and Bluey and Bingo show me the tablet. I've never seen one before. It can take photos. You can also play games on it. Bingo's mum and dad have tablets too. I wonder if they play games as well. We watch cartoons on the way to the shops. Oh, I love watching cartoons. The cartoon characters have so much fun. Don't you want to teach Bob some car games? Asked Bingo's mum. Yep, maybe after the cartoons are finished. At the shops, we watch even more cartoons on an even bigger tablet. So many pretty colours. Bingo's mum watches hockey on the big tablets too. I love hockey. I wonder if Bingo and I will play hockey when we get home. We don't. We watch more cartoons. I think I'm ready to do something else with Bingo now. Our time together is almost over. Kids, I'm putting our photos in Bob Bilby's book, calls Bingo's mum. She's been taking photos all day. But when Bingo looks back at the book, she sees the photos are all just of me watching cartoons. Bingo gets upset. You can see there at the shops. And they're watching, using their iPad there. Then they're in the car as well, using it some more. Bluey seems to understand. Bob just copies everything we do, and all we're doing is really boring stuff. So we need to do some really exciting stuff instead. She takes all of their tablets and puts them in a basket. Bingo's mum gets out the bikes. Bingo and I are about to have fun times. The big blue guy takes photos of our adventures on the bikes and going down the slippery dip. We play at the park and get dizzy going round and round. We ride on Sparkle Mane and pretend she can fly. The fireworks are my favourite thing ever. So many pretty colours. I love my friend Bingo. Back at kindy, Bingo and I tell the whole class about our fun times together and show them the new photos in my book. Then it's time for me to have an adventure with Missy. I'm going to miss Bingo. I hope she knows how happy I am that we're friends. She seems upset again. I want to tell Bingo that I had so much fun with her and I can't wait to see her again. But I'm not much of a talker. That was great. I'm going to go back through and see if you picked up where Long Dog was. I think I know. Let's have a look. Not there on those pages. I've got a feeling Long Dog is somewhere here, but the clue is that it's not in a photograph. It is up high. That's right. Right up there on the bookshelf. Well done if you picked Long Dog while I was reading the book.